now it's 2.
This is the time. Okay, I pressed
Hello.
one down this.
Bathroom. Dead.
Oh, you did. Oh! Connector!
Last guy's construction.
Okay. Here's it. Next to it.
Woo! Nice.
Nice.
But maybe one of you guys will have enough. Nice one.
Honestly, it's
you
over.
shot the fucking hostage.
You got him. To your left. One more.
Woo!
Oh,
No.
One.
No way. Distract the shit out of me.
One more. Other side, right side. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
Fucking faggot.
Oh.
Freaking mobs are just gonna.
Cansorito sexy.
Oh, if I do more
Cansorito.
damage, I'll get kicked. Oh boy, I should probably attack Leo again.
We should.
We should all play Face It.
No, I need to go after this. And actually spend time with my family before I start school.
I died. I'm dead. I love this
Start
game.
today.
I love this game so
Next.
much.
Oh my.
I fucking love this game.
Nectar.
There's legit no flaws on that game.
Leo, you literally jumped right in front of me.
Oh, you got banned! So, I have a
Why'd you gotta
2
start
hours.
shooting? Oh.
I want them to cool down so that I can make potato salad. They're cooked, but I just need to have them
Oh,
cool
Benji.
before I can do anything with them.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Yo!
You're
I got the ump. I might ump on you later.
That's gay.
There's only one.
Oh!
Nice, bro.